In accordance with the Public Holidays Act 1938, I am pleased to inform the public that Friday, 29 September 2023 is declared as a national elections holiday in the Kingdom of Eswatini. This holiday has been established with the primary purpose of ensuring that all members of the electorate, regardless of their employment status, have sufficient time to exercise their right to vote. This measure is crucial to guaranteeing the smooth running of the election process and fostering a truly participatory democracy. I thank you.